Hi everybody, my name is Krupa. In this short video, we're going to dive right into building our very first Apache Cordova app. So first, go ahead and launch Visual Studio. Once Visual Studio launches, you'll see a start screen. You'll see a lot of helpful links and news about what's going on in the Visual Studio community. But what we want to do is create a new project. So go ahead and click on the new project link from the start page, go to File, New, and select the project link from the menu bar. Once you select New Project, the New Project dialog will appear. And this dialog gives you an overview of all the various projects that you can create as part of your Visual Studio installation. What we want to create are Apache Cordova apps. So find the JavaScript node or the TypeScript node, and under it find the subnode called Apache Cordova apps. And once you've selected the Apache Cordova apps category, you'll see the templates that we currently provide for allowing you to build your first project. And I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to select a blank application template, and I'm going to give it a name. Let me call this one Hello World Channel 9. And once I've given my project a name, I'm just going to go ahead and create it by clicking the OK button. Once you click OK, Visual Studio will take a few seconds to go ahead and get your project created. You'll see a start page that gives you additional information on where your next steps can be. And in your Solution Explorer, which is the tree view on the right-hand side, you'll get an overview of what your files and folders that make up your project currently are. And these files and folders mimic the exact structure of the pages you would see if you were to build a Cordova project not using Visual Studio, but using any of the third-party tools available. So what we want to do is go ahead and just build a simple Hello World app. So I'm going to go ahead and open the www folder and open index.html. And when I open index.html, you'll see the primary view in Visual Studio switch to the code editor, which in this case is color formatted and optimized for displaying HTML content. And notice we have a p tag in our HTML page, and it says, hello, your application is ready. And what we're going to do is modify this to say hello and world. I'm going to type it in directly inside it, if I can spell it correctly. And let me go ahead and preview what my changes are. Now, to preview your application, there's an area we call the F5 debug toolbar. This is an area you'll be spending a lot of your time on, because this is what controls for what platform and what deploy target you'll be building your app against. In this case, I'm going to keep it at the default, which is Android, and Ripple, the browser-based simulator, just to quickly make sure my application works properly. And once I'm ready, I'm going to hit the green button to go ahead and preview it. So when I hit preview, behind the scenes, we do a lot of work to not only build a package, but also get everything ready to run my application. So in this case, because Ripple is a browser-based simulator, you see it running in Chrome, and then you see the words Hello World displayed. So there you have it, a very, very quick overview of how to build an app using Apache Cordova in Visual Studio. If you haven't downloaded Visual Studio yet, go to aka.ms/Cordova, and if you run into any issues along the way, we'd love to help you out. Post on Stack Overflow, use the tag Visual Studio Cordova, or tweet to us at VS Cordova Tools. And with that, I will see you guys next time.